Welcome back, guys. So right now we're still going to share the same content. We're going to share it to LinkedIn now. So we'll be able to post on Facebook, Instagram, X, and now we want to try to connect to LinkedIn. So I'm going to click on share. It's the same method all over and over again, but I just have to show you so you could see how it's being done. So I'm going to, at this very phase, we are trying to connect all the social accounts to this Canva account so that you can always share your posts whenever you want to post, or you can always share your design automatically from Canva. So let's do this. So we are going to say see all, and this time around is LinkedIn we want to go to. So we want to use LinkedIn page, not LinkedIn profile, so that we can access the company's page in a LinkedIn profile. So I'm going to say LinkedIn page, and right now all I have to do is connect LinkedIn to those pages or the particular page I want to use it for. So I have company's page. I have like two different company's page on LinkedIn. So I'm going to try to use that to connect this. So I'm going to sign in, and we're going to try to connect it to the Billard Creative Studio page. So that's what I just did. So I'm going to click on this. Then I'm going to write the content that would accompany this. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it right here. And having to paste it right there, we have the whole content. So all I have to do is to add my unique hashtag. Yes, I have to add this. Then I'm going to publish it right now. So this way we'll be able to publish directly from Canva to Facebook to Instagram to X, and now we are doing the same to LinkedIn page. So let's check out the post. Let's see what the post looks like, and this time around we'll be able to publish directly to LinkedIn pages. So you can actually connect all your company's page to your Canva account, so you can have your designs published directly, not just designs, your content. So you can use Canva as an automation tool for publishing posts. As you could see, that's what we just published from our Canva, from this design to LinkedIn, and this is it right here showing on the LinkedIn page. So you as a social media manager, you can see the use cases of Canva. So right now what we have to do now is to do for other social media platforms as well. So we've done for Facebook, Instagram, X. I hope to see you in the next lesson.